Does Gibby like that book?
Yeah.
You reading it to her?
Where's Waldo? Where's Waldo?
You find him in that picture? How old are you?
3,
How old is Gibby?
4.
That's right. She is 4. Did you start preschool?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
What are your teachers' names?
Emily. And what's
Bar.
and
Barbara.
Barbara. And Barbara.
Yeah. You're being very sweet to Gibby? Were you wrestling with her before? What happened? Did she nibble on you?
Yeah.
Where? On your foot? Did it hurt?
Yeah.
But she doesn't mean to hurt you, right? She doesn't mean to hurt you.